Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, we are sitting at a very interesting moment here as far as the technical chart is concerned, because the price has, technically speaking, broken down below a couple of key levels as far as the chart is concerned. The first key level is that pink line right there. It's on my chart. Kind of hard to see because the candlesticks are in front of it, but that pink line represents the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. And then the second area is just that green line here, which I've talked about time and time again in past videos as being an important level of support, which is valued at 48.25. And then you can see right here, the price has, like I said, broken down below both of those. Now, the thing with supports is they're not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with them. So I would still consider this being within the range of that area of support, but it's definitely, a more than valid and quite frankly, a wise question to be asking and wondering, is this the start of something bigger? Is this, the start of more downwards momentum? Again, it maybe isn't. Maybe this is just getting stuck up within the range and it'll, recover back upwards. That is totally a possibility. But you also have to acknowledge the fact that, the other possibility is maybe this is getting ready to break to the downside. So that is going to be an area that a lot of people are watching. And if the price does pull back further to the downside, next key overall area of support down there at the 47-cent mark. Now, to be fair, like I said, maybe this isn't the start of anything. Maybe the price is just going to curl around back upwards. And if that's the case, well, then in the very near term, the first level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be right there, that purple line, the 50-period moving average at 49.25. And then the overarching level still remains up here at the $52 mark. But going forward, the big question, the big dynamic really is all about, is this the start of a bigger movement to the downside? We'll see what happens with it on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.